Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose who can see your stories and manage your story archive on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the account settings section and click on it. Scroll down till you find the stories section and click on story settings. Now you have two options: allow others to share your public stories to their own story. If you click on it, you are going to see that it's either public, so anyone on or off Facebook can share your public stories, or you can either set it to no. If you click on the other function, allow people to share your stories if you mention them, you also have two options here: allow or don't allow. Click on the relevant one that you would like to change it for, and as you can see, both of these functions have been updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.